In this video, we will know that how to fix Windows could not search for new update error. So guys, in this video, we fix this issue step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows 11. So guys, let's start the video. The first method is set your system date and time properly. Click here and adjust date and time, and click here change date and time, and set your date or time properly according to your country. Okay, click here internet time, change settings, and click here check box if uncheck, and update now. Okay, it will automatically set your date or time. Now click here OK. So guys, now we are going for next method. Launch any browser and install some update. Windows 7 type here and update. Now click here this update. Okay, Windows 7 64 based 3102810. Click on it, and guys, this is your update. Click here download. Okay, you can see here it will automatically download. Now go here search box and type here this update KB 4474419 download. Okay, for Windows 7. Press enter and click here this first link, same as it is. Click here, click. Okay, you can see here this is a Chinese language, so don't worry. Click here this Windows 7. This is your driver update. Okay, now click here this link, download updates. You can see here it will going for download. So guys, now you can see here this is your Windows update. After installed guys, open your download folder. You can see here there are these two download. Okay, now installed one by one. Now right click on it and click here open and install this update. Click here yes. Okay, now close this window. Now guys, install this second updates. Right click on it and click here open. Click here yes. Click here restart now after installed. So wait here and log in again on your PC. Okay, now click here task bar and click here task manager, and guys click here file and click here run new task and type here services.msc. Check this checkbox and click here OK. Now guys, find here Windows Update Service. Okay, right click on it and click here properties, and guys select here automatic under startup type. Click here start, and after that guys click here apply and OK button. So you can see here this service restarted. Restart this service. This service should be started here. Okay, under Windows 7. Now close this window. Close this window. Now click here start button, and after that click here control panel, and guys click here Windows update. Okay, now click here check for update. Now wait for some time. So guys you can see here there are Windows update and your problem is fixed here. Click on install update and install your Windows update. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.